Good morning, this is page 14 and 15 of the packet. We are going to continue talking about linear functions all week. Again, linear functions are written in the form y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, b is our y-intercept. So today we're going to be writing an equation for a linear function given verbal descriptions. We're going to go over number 1 and number 6 together, and the rest of this paper will be your assignment, page 14 and 15. Number 1, we are writing a linear equation for a line that passes through the point 2, 1. Your y is increasing by 4 and your x is increasing by 1. Again, for a linear function, we need two things, slope and y-intercept. Let's start with our slope. And again, slope is change in y over our change in x. They told us our y is increasing by 4, so our change in y is going to be plus 4. Our change in x is increasing by 1, so our change in x is plus 1. 4 over 1, that's the same thing as 4. So we know our slope is 4. The other thing we need is our y-intercept. What we know so far is we know our slope, and we know that we have a line passing through the point 2, 1. So in the equation, y equals mx plus b, I can fill in my m. M is my slope. So let's plug 4 in for our slope. Our unknown is b, our y-intercept. We don't know b, but we do know an ordered pair. We know an x value and we know a y value. In an ordered pair, the first number is x, the second number is y. So let's plug 2, 1 into the equation. X is gonna be 2, we're gonna plug 2 in, and y, we're gonna plug 1 in. Now we just have a multi-step equation. We have one unknown variable, which is b, and once we have an answer for b, then you will have your y-intercept. So this equation simplifies to 1 equals 4 times 2, which is 8, plus b. We're solving for b. We have to move 8 to the other side. 8 is positive, so we are going to subtract 8 on both sides. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. Negative 7 equals b. Now I know b, and I know my slope, so I'm going to write my equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals, fill in what we know. M is 4. Y equals 4x plus b, which is negative 7. So y equals 4x plus negative 7, that is the same thing as y equals 4x minus 7. You can write it either way. Other question we are going to do together is number 6. Number 6 is more of a word problem. Number 6 says, a charity organization is holding a benefit event. It receives $28,000 in donations and $225 for each ticket sold for the event. What equation models the total amount earned from the event as a function of the number of tickets sold? Two things that we need. We need a slope and a y-intercept. Slope or rate of change, there are key words in word problems that we need. So we have $28,000 in donations and $225 for each ticket sold. Each ticket costs $225. That will be your slope. Again, writing the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. $28,000 is going to be your y-intercept. So y equals 225, which is your slope, x, plus $28,000 in donations. To find the total amount, you would take the number of tickets that they sold. Let's say that they sold 50, 225 times 50, plus 28,000. Again, the rest of this page is your assignment. Make sure you do page 14 and 15.